Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we are going to create a plasma whirl 3D pattern using Python. So let us start this by importing the required libraries. So here NumPy is used for mathematical operations and creating data points, and matplotlib.pyplot is used for plotting the graph, and access3d is used to enable 3D plotting in matplotlib. So to create a plasma whirl 3D pattern, now we'll create data for the spiral structure. So firstly we'll create angle values for rotation. So for angle values we'll use theta. So this creates values from 0 to 15 pi, which means about 7.5 full rotations, and controls the circular rotation of the plot. Now we'll create z-axis values for the height. So this creates points from -3 to +3 and controls the vertical spread of the spiral. And now we'll create radius for distance from center. And here radius is dynamic based on a sine wave of z, and 5 into z, this controls the frequency of waves, and np.abs, this ensures radius is always positive, and 0.5, which is minimum radius to avoid collapse to center. So this makes the radius oscillate, creating a whirl or spiral wave effect. And now we'll convert to Cartesian coordinates. So for that we'll write So this converts polar coordinates r and theta to Cartesian coordinate x and y for 3D plotting. And now we'll create the plotting environment. So for that we will write So this sets the plot size and adds a 3D plot axis, and figure size 8 into 6 gives a figure size of 8 into 6 inches. Now we'll plot the spiral line, which means the main structure. So this draws a spiral line, and color is equals to magenta, and line thickness, which is line width, is equals to 2. And now here we'll add scattered dots, which means the plasma energy effect. So this adds glowing dots along the spiral, and C is equals to np.abs. This defines color of dots depend on Z height, and Cmap is equals to plasma. It is a plasma color gradient which is yellow, pink and purple, and S is equals to 2, which sets the size of the dots to 2, and this gives the energy plasma vibe. And now we'll style the plot. So this sets the plot title to Plasma Whirl 3D with font size is 18. And color is set as yellow. So this sets a background for clean and futuristic look. And this removes all the grid lines for simplicity and make the plot more unique and visualizing. Now we'll remove the axes and ticks. So this hides X and Y Z axis ticks for a pure design look, and now at last we will display the plot. So this displays the final plot. So here we can see a Plasma Whirl 3D pattern. So thanks for watching this video.